What does a TechIDManager installation look like? It looks like a white glove installation where you pick a time that you want to install first. Then during that meeting, we go over these instructions where we go from absolutely nothing working to everything related to TechIDManager that you care about working. We cover how to set up your account, how to set up managers, how to set up technicians. We talk about the various agents you can install. We cover the different types of deployments you can do with TechIDManager. And then we actually do those installations with you. We show you where all the automation and PowerShell scripts are for all of those things. We cover things as simple as a single domain controller installation, all the way to as complicated as a domain controller with lapse control on individual machines, hybrid link to Azure AD with accounts in Azure for different technicians that have on-prem accounts. We cover every bit of that as part of the white glove install and the instructions that we go over. So when you're ready, schedule a white glove install. We'll get TechIDManager installed and get everything set up and working with you. If you have more questions, schedule a demo and we can talk about anything you want.